you pop, pop, pop like power. Yeah, yeah. Pop, pop, pop like power. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got me going.
Good morning. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my absolute favorite things in the world, an at-home iced latte. This looks horrible now because it's been sitting here for like an hour while I've been slowly drinking it, but I promise it looked way prettier when I made it, and it's still freaking delicious. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my lattes at home, how I use my espresso machine, which was incredibly inexpensive. I got it on Amazon for I think under $50, I want to say. So it's not like a high-tech espresso machine. For any of my extreme coffee connoisseurs out there who want like really nice espresso, this might not be for you, but this is perfect for me and anyone who wants a budget-friendly option to make lattes at home. It tastes good, it's easy to use, and this espresso machine has had absolutely no problems for me, and I've had it for about a year now and it's still going strong. So I feel like I'm definitely getting my money's worth because I use it multiple times every day. Today I will be showing you how I make my iced lattes at home and make this iced coconut macaroon latte recipe, which is to die for. It's dairy-free. Actually, yeah, it's fully vegan. It's really easy to make and it's delicious. And also, it's mostly sugar-free. If you don't add the whipped cream on top, which does have sugar in it, if you just make the typical base recipe, it is completely sugar-free, no artificial sweeteners, so it's healthier than your typical like Starbucks latte or whatever you would get at a coffee shop, and it tastes really freaking good, and it's so creamy and it just tastes like a dream. So let's get into it. Cheers, my dears. That's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you liked it, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we look forward to chatting with you guys in the comment section and getting to know you better, seeing you in a future video. See ya!